Oh, here's another heavyweight from Meerkat. Dreaded Yale. I can't open it with a key because it's round the fucking shackle, but never mind. CKD1. Oh, fills me with dread, Yales. But I'm having a good day with this, my little homebrew pick. So let's go for it. It'll be loaded with spools and all sorts of nasties, this you can guarantee it. But let's go for it. All set straight away. Counter rotation on that one. And number one is counter rotation on that. It was counter rotation on everything here. There's at least 4 spools in this, that's a dead cert. Oh. Yes! Take that, you fucking thing! Fucking Yale Nemesis. Done. Cheers, chaps.